Alright, dicing an onion, big and small, pretty much the same procedure. Starting out, cut the top off and the bottom off, just shave it off, and then when you cut it in half, you're going to want to line it up to where you get the longest diameter of the rings, right there shown in the picture. So you just cut straight down, same thing with the big one, top off, bottom off, and then look at the rings, and wherever the biggest points of the oval is, the largest diameter, line your knife up parallel with the diameter of that, cut it in half. And then peeling them, you want to start by just taking off the dried skin and seeing where you can get away with leaving to get maximum yield. And if there's a layer of the plant cell membrane stuff, take that off too, because that's just going to make it slip around right there in the picture. It's only one plant cell thick. Okay, you need to get your cutting board, get them all in half, and then now you want to start at an angle and then go around, lining back up with the center, and that's the only cut. The whole way around, chop, 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 all the way to the center, and then you pull it sideways and give yourself about 1 centimeter cubes. And to do it smaller, you just start off with smaller cuts, and you can see that it's the easiest way because it's got the least amount of cuts. There's none of that going sideways into the onion. If you do the lines at an angle going into the center of the circle, it'll come out even every time. Same with the big onion. See, going in at an angle and then straightening up as you get to the center, right there, straight down, and then starting to lay it back down. Keep the whole thing together, and you want to always keep it flat side down, otherwise it'll just come apart on you. In the other video, you use your left hand to squeeze it together so it doesn't come apart. And then the very last one right here, you want to push. Right, just push more than you're chopping. And that's it. Nice and easy. Diced onion. Look at that.